Loop is a web and mobile application that tells the real story of foreign assistance and allows users to map and manage development information from the World Bank and African Development Bank. Project locations are overlaid with other local information, such as development indicators and project success stories from Global Giving. The app allows users to add and edit their own project information, including comments, pictures, and stories, and to view and share this information with others in both online and offline environments. It can also be linked to beneficiary feedback. Development Loop solves several critical issues in the development field by enabling dynamic and interactive maps as project management and decision-making tools, empowering citizens through feedback loops, and addressing the needs of users in low or no bandwidth situations. In this demo, we'll show you how this prototype can inform project planning and recipient feedback while using Kenya as an example. First, we'll turn on the World Bank data layer, which shows all active project locations in Kenya. Next, we can turn on additional map layers so we can see these 8 projects within a broader context. By showing a poverty map behind the World Bank projects, we can now quickly see that many of the project locations are also in some of the least poor areas of the country. This piece of information enables users to begin asking much better questions, such as whether aid reduced poverty in these locations, or whether aid is being allocated to the places that may need it most. Answers to such questions should help donors allocate aid funds more effectively. We can also filter these projects by sector to explore more specific questions. Take, for example, the health sector. Now we've turned on a subnational map of infant mortality. This layered map visualization provides some context to evaluate project locations, decisions, and impacts. For more specific information on one project location, users can hover over a project location to obtain basic project information or identify the location for more detailed information. The application also allows us to consider the activities of multiple donors at the same time. In this case, we will view the locations of both World Bank and African Development Bank projects, giving us a picture of where each donor operates. If we are primarily interested in World Bank locations, we can use the sliders to fade the AFDB locations for better visualization. Viewing both donors on the same map suggests that they seem to operate in the same places within Kenya. There are many possible reasons for this concurrence, but this app provides us with the information to begin to explore this further. Another alternative way to visualize the activities of multiple donors is with the heat map feature. This allows us to see the intensity of World Bank funding within Kenya while we view exact AFDB project locations at the same time. This application can allow us to view not only project information, but also ground-level feedback such as these stories in Nairobi and Kibera gathered by Global Giving. This could also act as a repository of crowdsourced information gathered through SMS or other methods. The inclusion of Global Giving data illustrates the rich set of possibilities for mapping development finance along with feedback from the ground level. Among our next steps, we will include the integration of crowdsourcing technology from organizations such as Ushahidi. In addition to its visualization capabilities, this application has been designed to allow users to add, augment, or edit project information through both desktop and mobile applications in either connected or disconnected environments, so that it is usable by those in the field just as well as those in headquarters. The application is currently operational across desktops, laptops, mobile devices such as iPads and iPhones, as well as other mobile technology, and functionality continues to increase daily. This application enables users to track development finance activities relating to the Millennium Development Goals in a new and informed way. Users can consider project-level information alongside subnational development outcomes such as poverty, health, and other outcome of interest. It also opens the door to enable grassroots feedback through user stories or with other crowdsourced information.